Good morning friends, this is Harshad in front of you and this is my classmate Ankit Kumar and together we are the team Technofied India and we have built a soil moisture sensor which helps us to tell the accurate timing or moment when our field should be irrigated. So basically our country is a farming country, so it needs more technological evolutions in the field of farming. So basically it just let us imagine that this is a soil from our farms. So let us imagine this is a well irrigated field soil. So right now as we can see our soil moisture probe is in the irrigated field and the LED here just right here it is not glowing. So it is indicating that our field is well irrigated and we are getting the values here. So it is about 300 and it is showing that it is well irrigated and right now there is no need to irrigate more. So let us remove our soil moisture probe from the wet soil, from the wet field or the irrigated field. Now let us put it into our dry field. Putting it in the dry field, and there goes the LED and the buzzer which is indicating the soil or our field is very much dry and there is need to irrigate our field. And again we can see, and when it goes into the wet field or the irrigated field, it has blown off and the buzzer is also silent. So this is basically this helps us tell the value of moisture or the value of water present in our field, and if the value is less than 200 it indicates that our field is very much irrigated and there is no need to irrigate much because it causes waterlogging, and due to waterlogging a very much waste is done and also the water loss also occurs. And then again we are putting our probe in the dry soil, and again we can see our LED and buzzer has blown again with the same timing and irrigates and tell us that our soil is dry and it's need to irrigate. Again we are getting the values here, and if the values are above 900 indicates that our soil is very much dry and there is need to irrigate it. So basically this is our idea, hoping that it would help our farmers because our country is farm leading country. Thank you.